Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Fine China. So today we're doing soft glam, and yeah, I already did my eyebrows and my eyelashes off camera, so get into the look, guys. Okay guys, this is what I look like with my concealer and everything. I'm doing soft glam, so I don't want to have anything that is way too much. So I'm just going to blend.
Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weave, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't hit. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weave, so in, say it again, so in, make that money, throw it in, booty bouncing, don't hit. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, blue Medina, always beaming, rag top, chrome pipes, blue lights out of sight. Long weave, so in, say it again, so in, make that money.
Okay guys, so now we're about to bake. This is the look so far though. We're gonna bake it out. I bake with the banana color or a yellow color, whatever you want to call it. But this one is called banana from Signature. You want to highlight those concealed areas with this. You can do it afterwards or before, whatever. But I like using this this sponge as well because like it's good for like, you know, areas like my nose and stuff, you know. For these lines that I'm trying to get to. The banana color is everything to me. I love this color because, you know, it ain't too bright and it ain't too dark at the same time. So guys, I'm just going to blend once again. Guys, our siblings just brought on earth to just disturb you and irritate you. I'm with my baby brother. I love him so much, but you know how siblings are. They will irritate you and bother you. They never give you space. But yeah. So guys, I usually like to do my under eyes, just to like, I find it like to make me pop, like it makes me pop a bit more. So I just normally do it again for the last time. I'm choosing a neutral color because today it's soft glam, right guys? So And this is the final look, you guys. Ciao.